You throw me off.
Hey everyone.
Okay, this is Tony
Zelda.
from RVLife.
TandZRVLife. RVLife. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. TandZRVLife. Okay. We live in an RV. Hey, if you didn't know, we are full-time RVers who homeschool our 15-year-old Michael. And I'm sure you've seen Michael. Michael didn't want to come on the camera today, so it's okay. But happy Memorial Day to everyone who's out. Hopefully you're celebrating it and it's a nice day for you guys. He had shrimp and I had king crab legs for the first time, and he brought all these crab legs. I'm gonna put a picture up either like right here, or I'm gonna take up the whole screen here. And yeah, I'll give you a second. Okay, yes, I couldn't eat them all. I ate two, and there's so much crab meat in that thing. I didn't realize there was that much crab meat. I was thinking like the snow crabs, you get a little bit of good chunk of meat, but oh my goodness.
That's why they call them king crabs.
King crabs, yum. So that was very tasty. And so now we're just gonna relax.
And I'm going to sleep.
He's probably gonna go to sleep watching TV out here, and I'm gonna go watch some TV inside, or do some editing, or just some reading and relaxing, and just gonna enjoy the rest of the day. But we want to come on and say hello, and we hope that you are having a safe holiday, and hopefully this virus is not affecting anyone of you guys, but I know it has affected a lot of people. But don't slack up on what you need to do. Stay at least 6 feet away. Stay at least 6 feet away from people, and don't feel uncomfortable by doing it, because I am quick to go that means if I can do this and you're closer than that, you're still too close. But you know, be safe. So
well, we're gonna be doing more videos because we're gonna start traveling, and
yes,
hopefully while I'm driving she will do more videos.
Yes.
Of our trip.
Yes, I'll do the video of the roads and what's happening.
When we start leaving, I won't say, but you'll know because we'll start doing more videos.
Yeah.
So that should be fun because my son, he's going to be going with us.
Yes, my grandbaby's coming. I mean, I love my son too, but you know, my grandbaby is coming. I'm excited about that. So stay healthy, everyone, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.
Thumbs up if you
Thumbs
like
up.
it. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi everyone, this is Tony.
And Zelda. Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead. Ever had king crab legs, and they were so good, but I couldn't eat them all. We might have to cut this little section out because everybody's revving up.
They're engines. These little cheap ass cars. We definitely gotta cut it.